Alrighty, bingos, welcome back. Uh, I know, we're changing things up a little bit. We're doing something completely different today. Not many people know this, but I love a good jigsaw puzzle. So, we're taking a break from everything else, just for tonight, I guess. Today. Whatever day it is, I don't know. And we're just gonna do a jigsaw puzzle. It's not too complicated, I don't think. If you call this complicated or not. I'm not expecting you to know what this game is, so let me introduce it. This is Jigsaw Puzzle Dream. It's probably the best jigsaw puzzle I can possibly find online, so you don't have to worry about finding pieces scattered out throughout your house. Um, yeah, pretty calm, casual. That's shit. I don't. Mm. This game does have music. Whether it's copyright or not, I don't entirely know. I don't think so. So let me just unmute this. Is that loud enough for you? It's a little quiet. I should note that the music in this game, it's not songs you're gonna recognize. Because if I remember correctly, the creators of this game, this is their own, like, music that they've created. Some of it can get pretty whack. Cyan is a pretty good track, so we're gonna stick with Cyan. Besides, who doesn't love a good little head bop as you do jigsaw puzzles? Depending on how fast we do this, yeah. I'm pretty confident now that the music's okay. You're gonna see me bopping my head a lot. I live for music. It's something people don't know a lot about me, is that I love music. I'm obsessed with music. Music is my lifeblood. Alrighty. Let's get into this then. So the controls are pretty simple in this. You don't have a physical form in here. Jigsaw puzzle game. It gives you like a little apartment type building that you can customize yourself. These are on the walls are all puzzles that I've completed before. All of them are 1,000 pieces. This one over here was the hardest by far. Actually, no, I lied. That one up there. That one, I think that wasn't even. No, that was 1,000 pieces. But that was painful. That was painful. Woo! Oh, losing my control. Why can't I? Oh. I'm not the smarter. It's been a hot minute since I played this. Alright. So, as anyone who's done jigsaw puzzles before knows, start with edge pieces. If you don't start with edge pieces, let's just say it makes you a very unique, puzzle person. I don't know. Is there a specific word for someone who does jigsaw puzzles? I was gonna say puzzler, but that sounds wrong. Or just not right. And as well as, because I love causing myself more pain than needed. I'm joking. I never look at the picture when I'm doing the puzzle. Except for that gate one. That one I did look at. The amount of stone in that puzzle was killing my brain. I could not function. Like, actually not function. It takes a lot for me to get to that stage. Yeah, I'll probably will scream at me if I've missed a piece. Why I put them in a line, I don't know. Old habits die hard, I guess. There's not really any reason I put them in a line. Whee! Make another column. And with this game, you can do your puzzles wherever you want. You can do them on the floor, on the table, there's a coffee table, there's a bed upstairs in the little loft area. You can do your puzzles anywhere you want. But for bigger puzzles, you definitely need a nice, decent... Oh, I flipped a piece. Space, which is why I automatically go to this big table. Otherwise, I'll just use the floor. I've tried doing one on a coffee table before. I basically just ended up moving all the pieces onto the floor. Because the coffee table is tiny. Like, you c- what am I meant to do with this? And then table, you can see how many pieces that is. Trying to do that on there. No. The smaller amount of pieces there are, the less space it will take up. So that's what I mean by smaller puzzles. I mean, like the picture's smaller or anything. It's just the amount of pieces. Pieces may be bigger, but the actual puzzle itself will be smaller. At least that's what I've noticed from going between 500 pieces, 1,000 pieces, and 3,000 pieces. In all technicalities, you can do a puzzle in this game up to 20,000 pieces. Nye the cat, who's been on the stream a few times now, has done that, and it crashed everything. So do not recommend it. Even 3,000 pieces is a nightmare for me. Well, a nightmare for the computer to load. Otherwise, I will happily do a 3,000 piece. I decided to do 5,000 for this stream. Because 1,000 pieces, it depends on how easy the pattern is to follow. But I think the fastest I solved it was 18 hours. I do not have 18 hours on hand currently. So I've just chosen a simple 500. Oh baby, I refuse to go any lower. We're on this side now, so I'm just gonna throw all edge pieces I find over here. There. You can move pieces in clumps. So, gotta remember how to do it. That's it. You can do that and just pick up a bunch. Let's see. Pieces. Normally I'd go straight into color coordination, but I know that will take time away from solving this, so... That's if I wanted to be very thorough, make everything neat. Sometimes I have a little bit of ADHD where I do have to do things like that. Tonight's not that. Pretty calm and chill. Just a little though. What do you mean just a little? And hi, no. As opposed to my zoomies. Yeah, you have zoomies. Hi, no. I was just talking about you earlier. I was talking about how we did the stone wall one. Ugh. If I can do stuff. That one up there. I don't know how to go up. How do you go up? Oh, I've forgotten. There, this one. This one. We love this one. Certified French bread. What does that even mean? But yes, this one. This was a pain. Although the other one that we're currently working on is worse, in my opinion. So yes, this is the bed up here. You got an empty wardrobe. Honestly, I would live in a little apartment like this. I would. I wasn't planning for a collab night, but if you want to join, you know how to. Bread is French. Bread in French is pain. Le pain. I see now. And that's alright, kitty. Thank you for dropping by. Alright. After a Barrow day? Oh, barotrauma. Have fun with that. What? What about the outfit? What do you mean about my outfit? I can change it. This better? I have become void chest. Remember the whole I want to nom on your collarbone? Vaguely? Oh, you can see the collarbone in this one. Right, I forgot about that. I'm just gonna be dancing a lot during this stream, I can tell already. I don't think these songs are copyrighted, so it should be fine. I hope. My head's all wonky. There we go. This is cyan, I think I have. Yeah, cyan. Cyan seemed to be the most sane out of all of them. At least I'm not playing the one that I keep calling Megalovania. Yes, I know, I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't judge me on that. Who the heck are you calling kawaii? Do I need to bring up a picture of you? I will do it. I will do it. Look. Look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. Now this one's kawaii. Look at the little ears. You just want to pet the ears and then just give head pets. And then I'm going to yoink your glasses. Also, holy heck. I did not realize how pale you put the skin on this. You're almost phasing out into the background. Okay, okay, I'll remove it. There we go. You always choose the palest option. True, you are an indoor kiwi. You stay inside and you do your gaming. While being buried in a pile of plushies. Well, plushies and cats. Never heard of it. Anyway, want to know about One Piece? Oh no. I don't even watch One Piece. What do you mean? Karen doesn't want my snugs. Damn, your cat has denied you. Your cat is depriving you of the cuddles. Taryn is one of nice cats. Well, go find the other Kibi and give her cuddles. She'll no doubt accept them. Well, she's more accepting of them than Taryn anyway. No clue where Lilac is. Alrighty, kitty. I think I've got all the edge pieces that I can find currently. I have a curse when it comes to doing jigsaw puzzles. I'm always missing, oh, no, this one edge piece. Always one. No matter how hard or how thorough I look, I'm always missing one. Which I just then find later on. Alrighty, now let's grab these. That didn't work how I wanted that to. Wait, oh. Down. Bring him back here. Alrighty. Then once we brought them back over here. Then I'm gonna move the rest of the pieces over to the sides. But as you can hear, the music's a little odd, but I don't mind it. Some of them sound way too, over the top. As if you're doing like a high-speed chase or something. But most of the time they're okay. It certainly took me a while to get used to the type of music. But yeah. Child gained. Why do you have to say it like that? Why is your cat looking at me like that? I am concerned. I don't like how she's looking at me in that picture. She Bab? She's got the eyes from the Lion King, Nala. Alrighty. So now we're gonna... No, well, too bad I did, okay? Too bad. You can't tell me that you don't see it as well. Those of you who know what I'm talking about, you get the idea. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, it's okay, you're not missing out on anything. You saw a glare? Okay. Okay. I don't, okay. I'm not even questioning it at this point. Alright. Alrighty. Oops. Alrighty, that'll do. Right, now let's put these edge pieces together. There. This one. Nope. Then that there. This one can go here, 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 there. That doesn't go there. That goes there. This there. Oh, it looked similar. Okay. You're being... I'm not saying that out loud on stream, but okay. There. 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 Nope. Maybe. Nope. I didn't see the texture clashing, my bad. That goes there. Nope. There. Nailed it. Kinda sounds like you when you're hyperfixating on something. You just stay for a little bit and then just be like, bye, my people need me. Oh, that's a corner piece. Well, I'm glad you're not denying it. There. You don't deny the truth. That's where you're wrong, kitty cat, because you are very cute and you're always denying that, so false. Your Honor, this is false. Hate to break it to you now, but more than a few of my viewers beg to differ on that one. You are now the cute cat. That's where you're wrong. True, but I have seen how you've acted on stream with me. No, I hate to break it to you, but you're the one who goes, I'm not cute. Hello. Mrah? Yeah. Out the window. You have meowed a few times on stream now. I'm mimicking you right now. What does that have to do with anything? Besides, we all know I'm not a cat. Do I look like a cat? No. What is this music? Go next. I agree, you are a cute kitty. Good girl for accepting the compliments. Yes, you are cute. Look at that. Nice admitting she's cute, everyone. Just look at that. It says, I am cute. Aww, she's getting all flustered. Wow, that's what you're gonna do? You're gonna pull that card? Besides, didn't you say you had to go do barotrauma ages ago now? Ah, that cat. We love that cat. And she is cute, no matter how many times she tries to deny it. I'm not really sure which way this is meant to go, but we're gonna find out. Why, hello there, growling. You a growly bear now. Oh, the cute kitty's doing the little grumbles. Let me guess, she's gonna throw me out a window. Oh no, whatever shall I do? The answer is nothing. Well, we're over obviously missing some edge pieces. I don't even know if that's meant to be a threat or a promise now. Rightio, let's have a look. This one. Caught you off guard, kitty cat. You're scaring people now. Settle down. You will chomp me? Oh no, whatever shall I do? Your bites are like a puppy playing with a squeaky toy. It doesn't do nothing. Don't do nothing, is what I was trying to say. Well, you got 5... no. Yeah, 5 years to catch up on for that. Where is this last piece? Am I actually blind? It wouldn't surprise me if someone has found it. I don't have a squeaky toy either. What do you mean? You gotta make sense, cat. Why did you send me a picture of a dingo? That's literally the image I have. I agree, you are a cute kitty. And yes, I know, you're gonna throw me out a window. I think you will. I think I'm actually blind, because I cannot see this last piece. I know it's a light colored one, but I cannot see it. This is what I mean, I have a curse. It's always one. It's always one. No, I'm just gonna yoink your glasses instead. Well, too bad. It's how glasses work now. Alrighty. So, I think I'm going to start with... actually, pick a color now. What color should I start with? Not that I mind what color I start with. I'll start with any color. You say this like I'm not going to try and wear them now. You gotta at least try makes sense. No, I'm talking about a generic group of color. Not a certain hex code. Light green it is. Light green. Which might mix into the other colors a little bit, but that's okay. Did my voice just break? I think my voice broke. You want lap? What does that even mean? Unless you meant to type nap. If you're cold, then get back under your electric blanket. It's a bit too dark. Got a little bit of green, not much. Twitch on mobile is a thing. I noticed that a lot of my viewers are actually using the Twitch mobile app. I think it's almost 64% are using mobile. And your phone can only do one. What do you mean? One what? Alright, let's have a look. Do we have a light green patch on the board? Technically. Alright, well, let's bring our pieces. Separate them from all these. I suppose I can bring that one. Separate them from all these. So I can just group select them and drag them. That one must still be in the way, as will that one. I missed her. That's fine. That's fine. Alright. Let's see. Got a few of interesting little splotches on them. Wow. I have competition. I'm joking. You don't have to watch the stream, you goof. There goes Nye being not cute again. You're a cute kitty cat. I had to people for 3 hours. Okay, I have excuses. What's your excuse? Actually, speaking about the peopling, let me show what I did. Here, I will grab the picture. Oh wait, I don't have a picture of what I finished with. It'll be a little hard to see. Here, where's the button? Image, okay. Browse. Oh my goodness, why is that ginormous? How big is this? Oh. I don't know what I'm moving. But yes, this is what I did today. I just free-handed this. Which is crazy. It's a Dingo. I fixed, this ear. Actually not this ear, you can't even see what I'm running my mouse over. But I fixed the